Looking to create videos with AI and wondering whether Synthesia or Rephrase.ai is the better choice for you. In this video, we'll compare both platforms in terms of features, usability, pricing, and output quality to help you decide which one stands out. Stick around till the end, because I'll also reveal a better alternative to both. First off, let's talk about Synthesia. Synthesia is one of the most popular AI video creation platforms, and for a good reason. It offers an intuitive interface that allows you to create videos quickly without needing any advanced video editing skills. You simply type your script, choose a virtual avatar, and Synthesia's AI will generate the video. The key strength here is its wide range of avatars, more than 60 of them to be exact, and they can speak in over 60 languages. However, while it's great for corporate training or explainer videos, the avatars can sometimes lack emotional depth, making the videos feel a bit robotic. Now, moving on to Rephrase.ai. Unlike Synthesia, Rephrased.ai focuses on personalizing the video creation process with its AI-generated avatars. Rephrase lets you upload your own videos or images to create personalized avatars and combine them with text-to-speech. While it does offer a high level of customization, it's a bit more technical to use than Synthesia, especially if you're new to video creation. The platform shines when it comes to scalability and personalized content, but like Synthesia, it can sometimes struggle with more natural delivery, especially when you start to customize avatars and voices too much. Next, let's dive into the pricing. Synthesia's pricing can get pretty steep, starting at around $30 per month for a personal plan with limited features. But if you're looking for more advanced features like custom avatars and full enterprise capabilities, you'll need to fork out upwards of $500 per month. Rephrase. AI, on the other hand, offers a more flexible pricing model with plans starting around $25 per month. But as you scale up with more video creation and customization, the cost can rise quickly. Both tools, however, aren't exactly cheap for beginners or those on a tight budget. When it comes to ease of use, Synthesia is the clear winner. The platform is user-friendly with a simple drag-and-drop interface, making it much more accessible for those who want to get up and running quickly. Rephrase.ai, on the other hand, has a steeper learning curve, especially when it comes to customizing avatars and videos to your liking. If you're looking for something straightforward, Synthesia may be more your style. The next thing to consider is the video quality. Both platforms produce high-definition videos, but Synthesia tends to offer a more polished look straight out of the box. Rephrased.ai does offer high-quality video, but sometimes the results can feel a bit more rigid or inconsistent depending on how well you customize it. That said, Rephrased.ai can deliver better results when it comes to personalized branding and unique avatars, but it will require a bit more effort. And now, to wrap things up, if you're looking for the best solution to create high-quality, customizable AI videos with natural-sounding avatars, then both Synthesia and Rephrase.ai have their pros and cons. However, after testing both platforms myself, I have to say there's a better alternative for those serious about video creation. If you're aiming to create videos quickly without compromising on quality or customization, then I recommend trying out a tool available through the first link in the description. This platform offers exclusive benefits and a free trial that's perfect for getting started, and it's only available to our viewers. Give it a try, you won't be disappointed. So, while Synthesia and Rephrased.ai are solid platforms, if you want something that delivers more value and a better experience for creating professional AI videos, check out that link below.